Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for Living Local, your lifestyle show for all things Charleston and beyond. I'm your host, Ashley Meservey. It's Medical Monday at East Cooper Medical Center, and today it's all about fighting for the health of moms and babies as the March of Dimes continues building awareness through programs, partnerships, and more right here in the Lowcountry and across the globe. And East Cooper Medical is stepping up to be a part of an organization with some 80 years of service, research, and advocacy.
Medical Monday, sponsored by East Cooper Medical Center.
Joining us today, we have one of our regulars, Dee Byen. Thanks for being here. We also have Dr. Laura Stickler. Thank you two for being here. All right, so today we're talking about the March of Dimes. First off, Dee, tell us what the organization does.
The March of Dimes organization is a charity that we work with, and they do a lot of research on the benefits for mom and baby and prematurity so that we can have healthier moms and babies born.
Okay, and East Cooper really finds this partnership with March of Dimes to be a priority. Talk about what they're doing with East Cooper.
Well, the prematurity rate in South Carolina is grade D, which is obviously something we want to improve on. And Charleston County is only a little bit better than South Carolina's prematurity birth rate. So the March of Dimes has been very beneficial in educating not just physicians but patients about why we don't want to have elective premature deliveries, which increase healthcare costs and medical needs for infants and children.
And Dee, you have an Awareness Day coming up, right?
We do. The whole month of November is Prematurity Awareness Month, but on November 17th we have Prematurity Awareness Day, and we participate with the March of Dimes to make sure that we get the communication out to all of our families on the importance of taking care of themselves during their pregnancy.
And Dr. Stickler, talk about the fact as an OBGYN why it's so important to be involved with things like this just in your profession.
Well, these are the women that we take care of, and their health and the well-being of their children are important to us. Patients seeing us be involved and the hospital be involved and the nurses and providers that are taking care of them helps them understand why it's important to us. So just getting out there and increasing awareness and our involvement with it is good for us and our patients.
And talk about the strides that March of Dimes is making to when it comes to research. You're really having to stay up to date with that, correct?
Correct. They've had millions of dollars spent on one, increasing awareness in the community about premature delivery, but also investing in studies that are looking at what causes preterm birth, how we can prevent it. They're instrumental in providing, getting these developments into care facilities to implement them, support for families. As you can imagine, families who have a child in the NICU are under not just a lot of financial, but emotional stress, and helping them with emotional stressors. And then going forward, these children have a lot of learning disabilities and future health care needs that the money they raise helps research and implement care for those later needs as well.
That's really, really important. And Dee, talk about November 17th a little bit more, what East Cooper will be doing, and really the folks at home, what they can do to support the efforts.
Yeah, I mean, we are constantly trying to teach our community about prematurity, so we'll do a lot of social media information. We'll also be doing some fundraising still for March of Dimes. It's not too late to donate to March of Dimes, and even on behalf of East Cooper Medical Center and supporting the mission that we have. I think it's also really important to know that they look at a lot of the mom information. Now, it's not just about babies, so it is focusing on mom care during pregnancy.
Well, thank you both for being here. Learned a lot. And as always, you can visit them online at eastcoopermedctr.com.